Hello everyone, Ra Saint here, Legacy Futures Trading Group for VanLife Day Traders. Today, I'm not gonna tell you what day is today. Well, today it's Tuesday, June 11th, 2025. It's 4 in the afternoon, Eastern Standard Time. Really nice trade today. I have to, let me stop here for a minute and let me talk to you a little bit about myself and today. Today was a really bad day. For me emotionally, I don't know why things happen. We are human. I wasn't feeling it. I wasn't feeling that great at all. And actually, I didn't even look at the market in the morning. But I went to run some errands and I saw a few new subscribers, and a subscriber texted me and he told me, "Right, I love your videos, looking forward to learning more from you. It's been very insightful." And I said, you know what, it's not about me, it's about me sharing my knowledge. God has been awesome to me. I praise the Lord every single day and every single moment. And I say, you know what? This is not for me. This is for you guys. So you guys keep me motivated to making these educational videos and sharing all that I have learned for the past 15, 30 years. And so please share, subscribe, so others can reach this, so this content can reach others and they could learn as well. Questions, comments, complaints, jokes, leave me a comment and I can address any questions you might have. Today it was all about consolidation. At the end of the video, when you're gonna see the trade. And then at the end, I'm going to talk a little bit about how important is consolidation, at least for me and my legacy futures trading strategy. Remember, this is all my opinion, all the mistakes I have learned from in the last 15 years day trading. So watch the video, enjoy it. Hopefully you learn something. And any questions, comments, complaints, jokes, let me know in the comments. So enjoy. So it's 3:08 in the afternoon, Eastern Standard Time. And of course, this is not financial advice. Market hitting here a big resistance zone, hitting here a big support zone. We have that main entry level. We have a major entry level, we have a minor entry level, market bouncing off that level, and let's go to the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart, okay, and we have here a really nice support, really nice buy setup. Let's see, we have low, we have a high, up, we have resistance zone here, and we have a support zone here. Market bouncing off that support zone. Let me move this way up here, and I am thinking about buying.
Order submitted.
The next candle. There's still 4 minutes, almost 5 minutes before the next candle, so I'm gonna be waiting for that. We should have a mini entry level around here. So now it's just a matter of waiting. Okay, a few more seconds for the next candle to open. We have here this high, we have this other high. 5, 4, 3, 1. Perfect. And
order filled.
Okay, order filled. Now, market should at least, let's see if it reaches that resistance trend line. So our take profit is going to be around here. We have from entry 61.25 plus 20, 81, 91.25. 91.25, or well 90 91.20, 91.25, 91.25 plus 5, that's 96, 96.25. That should be 35, 70 points. Okay, 96.25. That's gonna be my take profit. 35 points, 70 points, because it's times 2, and that would be $1,400. This is gonna be an awesome trade, and there's still a lot of room here. So let's just wait for that, and we'll be back in 3, 2, 1. So 3:44, one more minute until the last candle of the US session, and market didn't move as I expected. Now I have two things. We have a few things here. Okay, this candle, they retested the low and bounced right back. Hopefully they close green, and there's always a push towards the end of the day. I don't like trading this close to the closing, which is at 4 in the afternoon, and then I have to make a decision. I either leave this running, because market opening at 6, we should see a push to the upside, but I don't like holding to trades until the next trading session. So I am going to, I like looking for cuánto, how much? 15 to 20 points. Come on. And come on. Push. They always do the same thing. I can hold this. Which technically I should have closed the trade by now. But let's see if I can. Whoops. Let's see if we can grab at least 20 points here. Come on. Well, I think that well, this supporting trend line and support zone, they are holding, but we have 1, 2, 3 15-minute candles, 45 minutes of market. They try to push and back down, try to push back down, so they either make a big push now or they're gonna drop. I would not like to see a drop. I don't want to have a losing trade, but apparently, well, let's just wait. We still have 13 and a half minutes, and like I mentioned, a lot of retailers are gonna be closing their positions. We have a big swing to the downside. Price action, everything has to do with price action. What time of the day, what day of the week, what week of the month. And I am not worried too much about today being Wednesday. And let's see if I can grab 20 points out of this move. They're a lot of indecision here. I mean, a lot of buyers and sellers getting in and out, getting out of the market actually. So let's see, we have 15 points there. Let's see if we can grab, we have 20 points right there. Okay, give me 25.
Target filled.
Ka-ching! Target filled. Awesome trade. I won't lie to you guys, I was sweating a little bit. Not because I didn't trust the setup, but because of the time. Last candle before market close, and this we might see a drop, or we might see a push to the upside. So I don't know. Here's how I see the setup, the trade that I took. Okay, we have a high here, and I'm talking about lower time frames. I'm not gonna go back and forth to lower time frames, higher time frames, but we have major entry level, market broke that. Okay, that's strong bearish signal. Market bounce of that main entry level. I still think we might have that main entry level for tomorrow. We don't know yet. And then market bouncing off nicely, then market tried push to the upside, then bounce nicely, then it reached here a resistance level, resistance zone, minor entry level, bouncing back, and that's what we like to see. Okay, and consolidation. Let me finish this before we do something else. Okay, so don't go away. I'm gonna finish the analysis. X marker, Bob. We have less than 45 minutes. So we have here, we have Nasdaq buy setup, Bob. We have N3, 2 contracts at 21,861.75. But we have target, we have 2 contracts at 21,875.75, which equals 75 minus 61, 74. That's 14 points. Well, at least this math shouldn't be too complicated. 14 points. You know, after a trade, my brain shuts down, and simple math is not that simple at that point. So yeah, total trade, we have 14 times 2. That's not too difficult. 28 points. 28 points, which equals, now I'm gonna have to think a little bit. 28 and 28, that's 48, that's 56. I think I nailed it. $560. Why? Because ¿por qué? Because we know market gives $20 per Nasdaq point. Boom. Awesome trade here. Market hesitating there, back and forth. That's usual for the closing. And like I was mentioning, that's why I didn't took any trades today. Earlier, we have a high, and we have a low. Huge range here from almost 200 points. All right. Let's see if I am not crazy here. Yep, more than 200 points range from higher high to lower low. Then we have a lower high. Okay, lower high. And then we have a higher low. What equals that? Let me know in the comments if you know what that means. Consolidation. That's what I like looking for in order to have a setup per my legacy futures trading strategy. Consolidation, really important. Market is just moving one way or the other, nothing to do. I like to see a consolidation. Why? Because market will move really quickly, either to the upside or to the downside. In this case, we are still inside the consolidation zone, but I understood that market, at least they were going to make a lower high. We had an entry level, mini entry level, but my trading goal and my trading plan, which you know what it is, 15 to 20 points, and I understood that there was enough room here to take that to reach my goals. I had my take profit way up here. Yes, I did. Well, actually, way up here. But that was like kind of the max I could squeeze out of the move. Obviously, with each candle, we have to adjust our manage our trades accordingly. Okay, with the new information we get every X amount of candles, every X amount of minutes, depending on which time frame we are looking at. But this trade again was awesome. Consolidation, guys. Always look for consolidation. I don't care which time frame you are working with. Consolidation and then a move that adds up. Remember, I don't trade risk, I trade probability. And a consolidation will increase a lot. I don't have exact numbers, okay, because I don't, but it increases a lot your chance of probability. So that's the lesson for today. I hope you're having an awesome trading week, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Please share, subscribe, and let me know in the comments other things you would like to learn. I might not have all the answers, but in 15 years of day trading and 30 years in the financial markets, I think I can help a little bit with whatever questions you have. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. I am a professional day trader, and I share my trading strategy with you guys, so the way I wish someone had taught me when I started. So questions, comments, complaints, jokes, wanna join our trading group, you wanna learn my trading strategy, you know what to do. Saint Legacy Futures Trading Group for VanLife Day Traders. Have a great one. Catch in.